Hi there, it's Grant, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal and talk about Jeff Clark Trader's track record. And what I mean by track record is all of the trades he's issued to his member of his Jeff Clark Trader service. Because at the end of the day, if you want to join the service, you want to know whether it delivers the goods or not. You know, is it just a load of BS, or are the trades actually good, and do any of them actually make a profit? Well, stay and watch this video because I'm going to reveal his track record. I've got a table of all of the trades he's issued since the start of the service, so you can see all of the profits and losses for every trade that he's issued, so you can make an informed decision of whether Jeff Clark Trader is worth your time and investment. And what at the end of the video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you briefly around inside Jeff Clark Trader, so you can just see what you get. So what does Jeff Clark Trader teach? Well, Jeff Clark Trader teaches options trading. If you don't know what options trading is, basically it's a leveraged form of trading where you're using an options contract to control 100 shares per contract you don't own, but you can still profit on those shares whether the market goes up or down. It's options traders become very popular in the past couple of years because the market's been very volatile, and options trading is best when sort of traded on volatile stocks, volatile markets. So that's why it's become really, really popular. And a lot of the traders are turning to it because rather than owning stock, you can just control the stock that you don't own, but still make potentially more money than you would than actually buying the stock outright. So if that sounds interesting to you and you want to start your options trading journey, then watch the video. So let's get on with the track record. So here's Jeff Clark Trader's closed positions. These are all of the positions that he has given out since his service began. And just to talk, so this is the list here. This is the column you really want to look at. If you see a minus, it lost money. If you don't see a minus, then it made a profit. So these are basically all of the trades here. So I think I did the numbers, and I think he's issued 84 trades since the service began in May 2019. 84 trades, and I worked out 49 were profitable and 35 were losers, which works out to be a rough 58%, 60% win rate, which is pretty good. And here's the thing you need to understand before you start trading. If you've never traded before in your life, you need to understand that. At the end of the day, if you're thinking this is some kind of get-rich-quick scheme where you're going to make a load of money really quickly and you're going to retire with your Lambo and your condo and whatever, then yeah, you're in for a shock. Because at the end of the day, options trading is a skill you have to learn, and that's the point of Jeff Clark Trader. Through his resources, which I'll show you in a minute, he teaches you how to trade options the right way with his various strategies, and then basically you've got to go out there and he issues the trades, and then you've got to go and place them. You don't have to do all of the trades. You can pick and choose as you want. I mean, obviously you're probably not going to do all 84, but you can pick and choose depending on what's right for you. Yeah, and at the end of the day, when you start any form of trading, but options trading, you're going to have winners and you're going to have losers. But the thing is, this is a medium to long-term strategy. You might have a run in the beginning of a couple of winners, and then you might have a couple of losers. But at the end of the day, as long as you're profitable and your account is growing, as long as you're making profits over the medium to long term, that is what a smart trader does. Smart traders aren't get-rich-quick merchants. They know that they've got a strategy they follow, they implement that strategy, and they want to see returns over the long run. And when I say long run, usually over a year. You want to see your money up over a year. So yeah, so investing in a service like this is an investment in yourself because you're learning a valuable skill that can grow your your the money you've got in the bank and grow your retirement fund. So yeah, it's an investment. So at the end of the day, what I'm trying to say is whilst everyone wants the winners, you're going to have losers as well. Anyone who says they never make a losing trade is a complete liar. As long as you're making, more than 50% of your trades are winners, then all is good because you're going to be profitable. Like I said, Jeff Clark Traders trades come out at a win rate of about 58 to 60% across, the past pretty much 4 years since this service has been going. So which is pretty decent in my opinion. And the thing is these are obviously his trades, but obviously once you know what you're doing, you can go off and pick your own trades. So whichever way you look at it, in the beginning, you probably want to follow his trades because you don't really know which stocks to pick and when to, which options to buy and all that, and which way the market's going to move. But over time, you're going to develop that skill, which means then you can go and find your own stocks to pick and know when to get in and out. So, yeah. So a bit of a waffly way of saying it, but what I'm here to say is Jeff Clark Traders portfolio, 49 winners, 35 losers, about a 58 to 60% win rate. So what kind of trades are there? But basically, Jeff's picks are generally long and short options where they're buying and selling calls and puts. So that's basically what you're doing. It's a pretty simple strategy because this is more aimed at the beginner options trader. So obviously there's not going to be any advanced options trading strategies here because it's going to be over the head of most people, including myself, because options trading can get immensely complicated at times. But the options you're going to be placing very simple. You're just going to be buying calls and puts and placing long and short trades. And what I'll do is I'll link to this table down in the description so you can have a look for yourself so you can make your money. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just show you around very quickly inside Jeff Clark Trader. So there's basically 5 parts to it. This is the issues and updates. This is where you get the monthly newsletter, and this is where you get all of the trade alerts, the buy alerts and the sell alerts. The special reports, it's probably one of my most favorite parts because these basically give all of the strategies and trading ideas that Jeff has. Jeff's going to be bringing in currency trading to Jeff Clark Trader, which is really exciting because I know the Forex market is doing really well at the moment. You've got fast catch trades, which allows you to make instant cash using uncovered puts. You can trade Bitcoin, one stock retirement blueprint, which I know is very famous, where you just pick one stock and trade it time and time again for profits. The options Bible, how to apply the third law of trading, how to open and close an options trade, and you get all of these trades here, all these reports here. I love them, really, really useful. You got the portfolio of all of the open trades. These are all the weekly calls that he did, so you can go through those. And then if you're a beginner trader, which probably most of you are, this is the courses. So Jeff's Masterclass video training series, where basically it's an 8-step course ranging in topics from understanding options and buying calls to how to project where a stock is headed. And then you've got a crash course here as well. So basically, once you've gone through all of the reports and gone through the courses, you're going to know more about options than about 95% of people, and you're going to be in position to start placing Jeff's trades. So yeah, that is basically Jeff Clark Trader in a nutshell. He's basically got a 58-60% win rate over 84 trades, 49 winners, 35 losers. My own opinion, I really enjoyed the service. It's really helped me understand options. And his picks, the thing I like about his picks is they're not too expensive. They're perfect for beginner options traders. You can place most of his trades for between $50 to $200, and you can make some pretty decent profits off those trades as well. Anyway, if you want to join Jeff Clark Trader, you can join for just $19, which locks your membership in for a year. So what I'll do is I'll link put a link down in the comments and description below. Just click the link. There's a landing page there, summarizes Jeff Clark Trader. Click the button. You can read some more and then place your order. And for $19, it's worth giving it a go to see if you like it or not. And I do believe you get a 60-day money-back guarantee as well. So that's the track record and performance of Jeff Clark Trader. This is everything you get. If you're interested in starting your options trading journey, I'd highly recommend you join and giving it a go. It's really helped me, and I think it will help you too. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.